Welcome. If you've ever worried about apps tracking your location from your computer, you're not alone. Today, I'll walk you through a quick practical update to prevent the Facebook app on PC from accessing your location. This is based on a recent update and keeps your data more private without compromising your browsing experience. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. From the main page, look toward the top of the screen for a set of icons and menus. You'll want to tap or click the three dots that sit there, signaling more options. This is your gateway to deeper settings without wading through multiple menus. Next, select App Info. This is where Facebook groups together permissions and behavior that touch your device. Once you've opened App Info, choose Settings. Here you'll find a curated list of permissions and how Facebook can interact with your system. Under Permissions, you'll see a section labeled More Settings Permissions. This area collects additional controls that aren't part of the standard permission suite. It's the right place to adjust anything related to location in one clean step. Now, Locate Location. Beside it, you'll find an option to customize how Facebook accesses your location data. Choose Block. By selecting Block, you prevent the app from using your location data going forward, which helps reduce tracking and protects your privacy while you're on Facebook. If you want to be extra cautious, you can repeat this process for other sensitive permissions you don't want Facebook to leverage, such as camera or microphone access. Regularly reviewing these settings keeps control firmly in your hands. A quick note. This change applies to the Facebook app on your PC and won't affect how location services work in other apps or browsers. If you ever need to re-enable location in the future, simply reverse the steps and switch location back to allow. That's all there is to it. A few taps and you've cut down on location access while still enjoying your Facebook experience. If you found this helpful, consider sharing with friends who might want a privacy refresh and drop a comment with any other privacy tweaks you'd like to learn.